I have no clue what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna play this by ear. I bought the correct frickin' garage door opener. I saved 70 bucks, so I spent that on I got a grinder, sorry, a bench grinder, and I splurged. My wife is gonna kill me on this, but I did get a brushless jigsaw. Open this bad boy up really quick. Nice. That is nice. Instructions. Who reads this stuff? Nobody. Garbage. Now I am going to keep the plastic. I'm amazed it didn't come with maybe I should look in the box one more time. Yes. See? Yeah, I knew it came with a blade. Fantastic. That is nice. That is really nice. Now I am just going to use going to use this blade because it's not really, let's see if it's bent. Nope, blade is still good, so I'm going to use the blade. Done. Wow, that is a lot lighter too. Oh my god, that is seriously light compared to this one. I'm wondering if it's the same dimensions, which I might have to adjust that. Nope, perfect. Yeah, I got the hammer drill back up and that back up, and that's pretty much it. Battery. Why would this come with batteries? That's weird. Why would this come with batteries? I might be wrong. No, it does not. Why would it come with batteries? Anyways, that's what I got. I will be dealing with this at a later time. See this bad boy. Hopefully all the parts are present. Look at that. That's what I need. That is exactly what I need. I'm curious which one fits in there. Find out. It would be awesome if it does. No, it does not. See that this actually was available in stock at one of my stores that I go to. They had 4 of them. All right, let's read the instructions really quick. upside down? Yeah. The instructions were upside down. And we are Ryobi users. We do not use sockets. We use overpowering drills to do the simplest thing. Perfect. A variation of speed with the power it gives, you know, it's seriously, seriously good. I mean, you know, this one's great and everything, but this one has the speed that you want. That's freaking awesome. That has the, seriously, that's a good impact driver. All right, I think that is, gets put on the end. Wow, that's heavy. So right, what I got this done so far. This is up on top of here, just that's good to go. Now I just gotta create a support from the rafters down to the garage door opener. Time for a pre-drill. Oh my god. I think it has some juice, so let's try this again. If only I had like that tiny bit more leverage, I was able to drive those in. Alright, that's good. That is really nice. Wow, that was smooth. Holy shit. Alright, wow. Wow. Oh my god. You know, normally, you know how it is. That thing would be vibrating like a son of a bitch. But holy, that is smooth. My freaking dog. I love my new Jigsaw. That is smooth. All right, this is the situation so far. Let's see. Out of all the batteries I have, I'm still freaking swapping one battery. That's hilarious. I love this frickin', oh my god, this thing is awesome. I love it. I love my tools.